practice exam. And question 6a is basically asking us to add x over 11 plus 2x over 11. Now, because the denominators are both the same, we can simply add the two numerators together. So x plus 2x equals 3x over 11. So that is the answer. Now, part B, 5x over 7 minus 3x over 7. Because both denominators are the same, we can simply subtract the two numerators. So this one, 5x minus 3x is 2x over 7. That is the answer. Part C, x over 2 times x over 5. In multiplication, we simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So in this case here, we will have x squared over 2 times 5, which is 10. Question D, x over 6 divided by 4 over 5. Because this is a division, we can simply invert and multiply the second number. So it now becomes x over 6 times 5 over 4. Multiplying the numerators together and the denominator together, we have x times 5, which is 5x. 6 times 4 is 24. We can't simplify that anymore, so that is the answer, 5x over 24. Question E. Expand and simplify the following. Now, in this case here, we need to expand that first number and then expand the second one. So in this case here, all we simply have to do is distribute the 3x into this bracket and then distribute the 7 into that bracket. So by expanding this, we have 3x times x, and then we have 3x times 5 plus 3x times 5. Then we have 7 times x plus 7 times 2. If you work all that out, 3x times x is 3x squared plus 3x times 5, which is 15x. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 2 is 14. Combine like terms, and we have 3x squared plus 15 plus 7 is 22x plus 14. And that is your answer. Okay. Question F. Simplify 3x over 5 plus 2x over 7. When we add or subtract fractions, we need to make sure the denominator is the same. In this case here, they're not the same, so we need to make them the same. So we need to find the lowest common denominator. In this case here, the lowest common denominator would be 35, because 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, now what did we do to that 5 to get 35? We multiplied it by 7. So we need to multiply the top by 7 also. So in this case here, the top will be 7 times 3x, and this one here will be 5 times 2x. Okay, so we'll end up with 21x over 35 plus 10x over 35. Because the denominators are now both the same, we end up with a number that is 31 over x divided by 35. We can't simplify that anymore, so we leave that as it is. Question 7. Another subtraction. Because the denominators are not the same, we need to make them the same. In this case here, we need to find the lowest common denominator of those two fractions. If we multiply 7 times 3, we have 21. We now need to change that numerator by the same amount that we multiply the denominator to get to 21. So in this case here, it's 3 times 5x. So we have 15x up here. This numerator is 7 times 2x, which is 14x. So our new fraction is 15x over 21 minus 14x over 21. 15 times 14 is x over 21, and that is our final answer. Part B, 6x over 5 times 2x over 9. Because it's a multiplication, we don't have to do anything to the numerators or denominators. We simply multiply straight across. 6x times 2x is 12x squared divided by 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, so that is our answer, but we can simplify that even further. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator in this case by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So the simplest form of this answer is 4x squared over 15.